How to digest a Big Mac. Digestion starts in the mouth with mechanical digestion of all of the ingredients. By chewing pieces of food, we are increasing the surface area to volume ratio. This increased surface area makes chemical digestion more efficient. Salivary glands secrete saliva, which lubricates food and also contains the digestive enzyme amylase, which begins to digest the starch in the Big Mac's bun and sesame seeds through hydrolysis. After this, food is pushed down the esophagus and into the stomach. Mucus, enzymes, and strong acid make up gastric juice that is secreted by the stomach. One of these enzymes is pepsin, which begins to break down and chemically digest the proteins found in the beef patties and also the cheese. This breaks apart the cells of the food and also kills bacteria. This process creates chyme, which is nutrient-rich and acidic. Chyme then passes through the sphincter into the small intestine. Here in the duodenum, or the very beginning of the small intestine, it is exposed to pancreatic juice and bile. Pancreatic juice is produced by the pancreas. This neutralizes the acidity of the chyme. Bile is produced by the liver and is stored in the gallbladder. It contains bile salts, which digest globules to fat droplets, making them easier for enzymes to digest. Starches and sugars found in the special sauce of the Big Mac are broken down into disaccharides by pancreatic amylase. Then, maltase, sucrose, lactase, and other enzymes break this down further into monosaccharides. As for the proteins in the small intestine, these polypeptides are broken down into smaller polypeptides by trypsin and chemotrypsin, and then aminopeptidase, carboxypeptidase, and dipeptidase break these down further into amino acids. Once fats are broken down into fat droplets by bile salts, lipase further breaks down fat droplets, forming fatty acids and glycerol. These enzymatic digestion processes end at the end of the small intestine, where unabsorbed foods or undigested materials, such as the cellulose found in the Big Mac's lettuce, pickles, onion, and sesame seeds, pass into the large intestine, or colon, and are prepared for excretion. As this matter travels through the colon, around 90% of the water in this material is resorbed back into blood and tissue fluids, and you are left with a product of fecal matter, which is then stored in the rectum, located at the end of the colon. And finally, the last step of digestion is the elimination of this matter through the anus.